2022 Tesla Model 3 Review and Prices. Pros: excellent range, performance, and handling. Comfortable seating and lots of interior room. Access to Tesla's prolific supercharger fast charging stations. Cons: touchscreen interface can lead to driver distraction. No Android Auto or Apple CarPlay support. What's new? 12-volt lithium-ion battery instead of the previous lead-acid battery. Sound-reducing rear windows. Quicker processor for the infotainment system. Part of the first Model 3 generation introduced for 2017. The 2022 Tesla Model 3 is the smallest and most affordable offering from the California-based all-electric automaker. After making a number of updates for 2021 that included an upgraded interior, increased range on a full charge, and additional standard features, Tesla is keeping things pretty much the same for the 2022 Model 3. There are a few minor upgrades, such as a quicker processor for the infotainment system, but overall the Model 3's key attributes continue to be its excellent range, strong performance, and comfortable and spacious interior. MSRP range: $46,990 to $62,990.